you're a student looking for remote jobs but have no prior experience, don't worry, there are plenty of opportunities available. Many companies hire students for entry-level positions such as virtual assistants, customer service representatives, freelance writing, social media management, and online tutoring. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to showcase your skills and start small projects to build experience. You can also apply for remote internships that provide training while you earn. Data entry jobs and transcription work are great for beginners, requiring little more than a computer and attention to detail. If you enjoy creativity, consider graphic design using free tools like Canva, or start a YouTube channel or blog to generate income over time. The key is to highlight soft skills like communication, time management, and adaptability on your resume. With persistence and the right approach, you can land a flexible online job that fits your schedule and helps you gain valuable experience.